In the previous video, we have seen variables. In this video, we will see the different types of variables. This is the code from our previous video, and this is where we have mentioned the type. Now we will see what other values are available for type. The first one is string, which we already saw. It can take any value, but it must be enclosed in double quotes. The next is number. It can take both integer and fractional values. The next is bool. It can take the predefined values, true or false. The next is list. This is like arrays in C. One thing to note, lists are homogeneous, meaning they should have the same data type. The next is tuple. This is similar to lists, but it allows different data types, and so it's heterogeneous. The next is map. It's like a dictionary containing key value pairs. Let's bring back the syntax of a variable. These values go here, and these values go here. In the next video, we will see additional concepts related to variables.